I'm on my way to a place called Pulken in Sweden. I've been there before many times. Also, I did an episode a long time ago from this location. And that's where the common cranes are gathering when they are migrating back to the Nordic countries. So it's kind of a tradition for me to go there to just, to see so many cranes together. It's an amazing sight. So it's nothing special for me anymore. I have lots of photos and videos of this species from different locations in Sweden, but still it's a great experience to see all these birds at the same time and same place. So I'm just gonna take a drive there. It takes around 2 hours. So yeah, some good music and coffee and just keep the pedal to the metal. Let's go. I'm now at Pulken, and as you can see here behind me, this is a place that attracts a lot of people. But that's a given when it's a special place with many birds. Just gonna turn my camera so you can see the area. I don't know how many cranes there are today, but there's enough to film and photograph, that's for sure, and attract a lot of people. So nice to be here. So let's see what I can get. That's it for my trip to Pulken here in Sweden, filming and photographing the common cranes. I had some trouble with heat distortion here at this location today, and I can't remember the other times I've been here. It's the same problem because it's very wet, this area, so that's how it is. It's best early morning or late afternoon. when the heat is or the sun is fading out. But I think it was decent what I got and what I showed you, so I hope you enjoyed it. So all I have to say now is stay safe. Bye.